explosion crater with it. And now you see Llao Rock in profile or in cross section. And who named Llao Rock? Llao Rock was named by William Gladstone Steele. William Gladstone Steele is considered to be the father and creator of Crater Lake National Park. In fact, almost every question I ask you today, the answer is going to be William Gladstone Steele. Llao actually is the Native American god of the underworld, and that is for whom William Gladstone Steele named Llao Rock. 1,200 feet high, 1,200 feet deep. If you were to drop Llao Rock into our lake, you would still have over 700 feet of clearance in this boat. We are now on our way to Devil's Backbone, and one of the things I want to remind you throughout the tour today is many of our features are gorgeous as we approach them, but they are equally stunning as we depart. So when we get to Devil's Backbone, I'm going to remind you to look behind me, and you will see the pumice-covered top of Llao Rock that is so fragile. They all stand up.
Oh, is that all? I thought it was a bear or something.
Yeah.
You are looking, and Matt will probably try to give, but will you be able to give, we're not going to be able to give both sides. Guys, if you're on the other side, go and join the folks on the right side. You are looking at the old man of the lake. The old man is a 37-foot hemlock log that has been in our lake over 120 years. It has been carbon dated at over 450 years old. If you guys have a chance to look over the side of the boat, and you will see that it is
It's like 200
floating.
feet tall.
It is not on the bottom. It floats with 4 feet of wood
You
above
can see the bottom of
and
it.
the rest below. And we do not know why the old man floated vertically. In fact, we know very little about the mystery of the old man. And in the 1930s, we put a ranger on the top of Watchman Peak. And he followed Old Man for 90 days. In 90 days, Old Man floated 60 miles in this race. On average, he floated 0.67 miles a day, and on his busiest day, he floated 2.36 miles. Traditionally, we have pulled the boat up to Old Man. We have opened the door, and the rangers steps on top of Old Man. We no longer do that, however. Instead, we pull along Old Man, open the door, and set the smallest child to sleep. No, we don't. So Old Man has come to be a symbol of one of the mysteries of creation. And we know that he does what he wants, where he wants, because he is required. If you guys are looking over the side, can you assure us that he is in fact floating? Can you guys see the bottom of it?
There's too many ripples in the water. Can't really see.
Can't see the bottom of it? Yeah, he
No.
is a long log, and at the bottom of he has a little bit of a hook. But he has no ball, and there are no rocks there holding him vertically. So he is one of the reasons we love to chase him in the lake, and we don't always find him. Thank you, Captain Matt. Okay, if you guys all grab your seats, we'll head on to Devil's Backbone.